Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming system compatibility and gathering essentials: product key, Microsoft account, or installation DVD/ISO. Once ready, sign into the Microsoft account or insert media. This authenticates the license. Make sure antivirus is off and all Office applications are closed to avoid file conflicts. Click the Setup, EXE, or run the installer from your account. Follow on-screen prompts for language and install type. This first stage lays the groundwork, so the installer can copy files without interruptions or permission errors. Now you choose how PowerPoint will be installed and why each choice matters. If you want the simplest path, pick Typical to install core apps quickly. If you need only PowerPoint, pick Custom and deselect Extras to save space. Select the installation folder. Use the default unless you manage disk partitions. Click Install and monitor the progress bar. This copies core files and applies registry settings. Once the installer finishes, it may run post-install configuration. Let it complete to ensure shortcuts and file associations are set. Finish by launching PowerPoint 2016 and activating it with your product key or Microsoft account. Activation enables full features and updates. Once opened, go to File Account to confirm the product name and click Update Options, then Update Now, so you have the latest fixes. Make a test presentation to confirm templates and export options work. If something goes wrong, use Control Panel Programs Change and select Repair. This reinstalls missing components without losing settings, often resolving activation or startup errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.